Things that are ruining your makeup look. First is using a matte lipstick over dry lips. Never ever do that. I repeat, never. Instead, just put on your moisturizer or any lip balm and then apply your matte lipstick. Next is using the wrong foundation shade that is either too light or too dark than your skin tone. That looks extremely bad. Makeup is not about looking white, guys, it's about looking flawless. So that's why always use a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. It should not be too light or too dark, just perfect. If you guys want to see a video on how to choose the correct foundation shade, then let me know in the comment section. Next is not prepping your skin before makeup. Prepping your skin is a very important step, guys, and never skip it. Always do your CTM and then only proceed with your makeup. The next thing is overfilling your eyebrows. Do not ever overfill your eyebrows, guys. It looks extremely bad. If you guys don't know how to make eyebrows, then I have already made a video, you can check it out, but never overfill. So with this video comes to an end. If you guys want to see a part 2, then let me know in the comment section. Till that time, take care, bye.